Alright, well, as you can see, my chicks are now turning into pullets. They're starting to get big and they're starting to outgrow the little cage that I made for them when they were itty bitty tiny. In fact, they're actually trying to, they're bending down this little stick I put in for them to perch on. So it's time to move them into a temporary area. So this coop and cage here is probably big enough for 2 chickens once they're fully grown and everything. Sharing a laying box in there, or a nesting box, but they're going to be going into the bigger one. But the bigger one I have to actually expand because I'm going from 5 chickens to 11 chickens. So I'm going to have to do an expansion on this a little bit later, and I'll probably be filming that too. With this one, this is a good holding area for them until they start getting bigger and start producing eggs and start needing to have that a nesting box. On the top here I put some landscaping fabric. This is going to keep the keep an area shaded for the chicks, or pullets now. That way they can come in and hide underneath and not get full sun, not get overheated. Got my water bottle in down here. And here's the inside of the coop. Nesting box here. Got a spot to hang food or set food on that. A little ledge there. Gonna have to put something underneath in order to catch some of the food because they're still messy eaters. And then this hatch opens and closes. Because we have a lot of bald eagles around and hawks and other predatory birds, a lot of owls, and put a little bit of chicken wire on the top, just like the bird netting I have on my main coop over there. And this will keep them safe from predators. Raccoons could still get in if they really tried, but it'd be a little bit of work, and my dogs would probably let me know about it if they were trying to get in here. So now I'm going to go pick up some chicks, just like the shirt that my wife got me says, and I'm going to put them in the coop here, and we'll see how the other chickens react to them. Isn't that a cutie? Well, I guess everybody's too interested in eating than to pick on each other. Now, there's a curious one there. Alright, well, the pullets are in here playing in the run. They're already starting to eat all the grass, making themselves right at home. They got the water here, they got some food inside. The regular hens are not messing with the pullets yet. That's a good thing. Having the runs right next to each other allows them to get used to each other. I still have to build the addition to my regular chicken coop, which I'll probably be filming on that thing shortly. And just get to watch the chicks a little bit and enjoy. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hey, give me a big thumbs up. Push that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.